Hey, something beginners are often told is that they should just use a box, but nobody actually elaborates on how. So today I'll show you how I'm using the box to draw heads, and hopefully this will be useful to someone. I'm sure most of you know that the purpose of using the box is to show perspective and to provide structure to the things you're drawing. You can easily see the front and side angles, and heck, it can even help you draw from imagination. But how do I put things inside the box? So after a lot of trial and error, this is how I'm drawing the head using a box. First, I draw a circle connecting these three sides of the box. Most of the time, the circle will be 2/3 of the length. But the length doesn't work for all the angles. Up tilts, for example. That's why I prefer connecting the circle to three sides of the box. Then I draw a circle for the side of the head, using the side plane of the box to get the right perspective. I try to connect the small circle to these sides of the square. The ear will be behind the line that divides the side plane in half, placed between the brow line and the bottom of the nose line. Then I draw the jaw and the neck. Depending on the perspective, you'll have to adjust a few things like I did here. But overall, these steps work on every angle. If you're having trouble with where the neck inserts into the head, you can draw a box like this, where you cut off this part. So now I'll leave you with some examples of how I practice using reference photos. That's how I draw heads using boxes. If you want to learn more about how to draw the proportion of the head, I made a video about it. But if you're interested in drawing boxes, cylinders and other forms, I have this video where I show how to draw them at different angles. Go check it out. See you next time!